Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use grids and frames like a designer in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. From here, choose the design type that you want to work on. This can be a social media post, presentation, poster, or any layout that you want to use. Make sure you're using the correct size so your design looks clean and professional from the start. Let's start with a presentation or a blank presentation right here. Next, go to the Element tab and scroll down until you see grids right here. There we go. Grids helps you organize images evenly and keep everything aligned. As you can see here, just like that. Choose a grid layout that fits your design. Let's say we want to use this one. You can either drag this or you can just click it. There we go. Now, simply drag your images to each grid section. Let's go back to Elements. And let's choose an image from the Photos category. Let's say we want to use the photos from Magic Recommendation. This, and this. There we go. Canva will automatically crop the image and fit it inside the section. If you want to adjust the image, just double click on the image, as you can see here, and move it inside the grid. So frames work similarly to grids, but it gives you more creative freedom. So go back to the Element tab, and let's choose, where is it? Frames. Should be here. Oh, there we go. Let's click on frames. And you can pick any frame shape that you like, such as shapes in this first section, mock-up frames, graphic frames, photos, and many more. Let's go to the first section. You can add basic shapes, some custom shapes, or some icon. Let's add a circle one. There we go. Now, from here, you can either drag an image, graphic, or even a video inside this frame. Let's go back to the photos section. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to photos. Let's add a random photo. There we go. So frames are perfect for creative designs, unique shapes, and stylish layouts without complicated editing. You can also mix grids and frames in one design, like this one. Use grids for structured sections and the frames for highlight or featured content. This works great for a collage, product showcase, and portfolio design. Just make sure the spacing is consistent and everything feels balanced. To make your design look polished, use Canva alignment guides. Let's go back to File, Settings, and let's show the rulers and guides. There we go. When you move an element around, Canva will snap them into place automatically. Take a moment to check spacing, balance, and focus points. Small adjustments can make big differences in how professional your design looks. Once you're happy with the layout, review your design. There we go. And if everything looks good, download it in high quality and you're ready to post it or share it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.